I'm going to be able to smash it out. That's with the hammer. Look how thick this thing is. These taillights are extremely thick. This one was already busted. That's why it was easy to shatter with the hammer. This is a genuine Lexus LX570 from a 2021. If you just pull it off, that's how you get the big piece. Just see what color it lights up as. All the red is gone. There's no red on this taillight anymore. Even that side marker light is so bright that it looks white, but you can clearly see it's red. All the lights are red. That's the brake light. They're just so bright red that it's clearly red. Let's see what happens when I smash the diffuser. I don't want to take a chance on shorting that thing out. I can't even break this chrome piece off there. That is so strong. The thing is thick. I can't even break it. There's no possible way an arm did that. Especially breaking that chrome centerpiece. Alright, now with the diffuser off there, look at the taillight. That's all broken out right there. That's broken. When I move the diffuser, watch the light move. Now the light's gone because there is no bulbs back there. The only thing that makes the lights go down the taillight are these plastic pieces that have the bubble. Without that, the light does not go down the taillight. Now watch, I'll snake this diffuser back in there and the light will follow it down to where the end of it's broken off. Looky there. If that light was broken in John's driveway, there would be no light going down the taillight whatsoever, and it sure would not be white. The red is almost a translucent red. Now watch, I'll take the diffuser part out of it and the light disappears. It's because all the light is up at the top and it shines down on that clear piece and the bubbles makes it reflect. This is what the tail light would have looked like with the plastic pieces that they showed on in the trial that would have been missing from the tail light. There would have only been two small lights coming from the top.
But it looks cleaner.
Forward, please. Thank you.
Red.
And one more. You can see the white light shine. Stop. You can see it clearly missing. You can't plant something that's already gone. And the reason why you see white, it is a red taillight cover, and when the red is missing or gone, as it is in this case, the white bulb still shines, and that's why it shines.
I see that there's white shining through.
The defense position
It's my
is
memory.
also
This is what the taillight would have looked like with the plastic pieces that they showed on in the trial that would have been missing from the taillight. There would have only been two small lights coming from the top.
But it looks cleaner.
forward, please. Thank you.
Red.
And one more. You can see the white light shine. Stop. You can see it clearly missing. You can't plant something that's already gone. And the reason